Point Solutions presents Storefront Connect, a turnkey e-commerce solution fully integrated with MotorBase that easily allows customers to buy your products from anywhere in the world. In this video, we will be taking a more in-depth look at how you manage your site on a day-to-day basis. Storefront Connect has a full-featured back-end accessible site that allows administrators to easily update content, view orders, set up product catalog, manage customers, configure sales and coupons, set up shipping and tax rules, and more. It also has a dashboard area that highlights recent activity created from Storefront Connect. You will have full access to change all content within Storefront Connect, such as page content, header and footer blocks, main menu, home page banners, product data, and more. Here is how you can use the built-in page builder to make content updates. Using the visual editor, you can quickly add or edit content by dragging and dropping elements to your page. You also have media gallery for existing images or upload your own to use. You have numerous options available for each element. This allows non-tech savvy users to build or update the web pages on Storefront Connect without any knowledge of HTML or CSS programming syntax. Here you can see we've added a map of our location on the page, just by dragging and dropping onto the page builder. You can also have unlimited layout possibilities using the layout grid controls, by dragging rows and columns to the grid. You can expand or collapse the size of each column by using the mouse. This allows you to quickly build and update pages with ease without the need for outside technical help. Content blocks such as header and footer or home page areas are available to update as well. For example, to update an ad on the home page, we can easily change an image using the page builder. When we save the updates, the changes will be visible immediately on the page. The product catalog is imported automatically from MotorBase inventory every night. Any new inventory or updates from MotorBase are made automatically for you, such as quantity on hand, product attribute changes, and descriptions. The product custom fields from MotorBase that you have set up for each inventory category are imported to the Storefront Connect catalog as attributes. These attributes will be listed on the product detail page and used to filter the product list. For example, the product category Motor will have custom fields set up in MotorBase, such as HP, RPM, frame, voltage, enclosure, etc., that the customer can filter on Storefront Connect to easily find specific products. Once the product is imported into Storefront Connect, you can then make changes as needed, such as product images or videos, cross-sells, upsells, SEO changes, additional descriptions, and vendor PDF specifications. Let's walk through a standard checkout procedure using Storefront Connect, and then show you after the order is submitted what it looks like in MotorBase. When an item is added to your shopping cart, the customer can get tax and shipping estimates by entering their location. Sale tax can be configured using predefined sale tax tables or integrated with a third-party tax calculator to gather more detailed tax rates. The shipping fields configured during checkout can be customized if needed. The customer can enter their MotorBase customer ID on the shipping screen, if available, which will submit the order with the customer ID in MotorBase. If no customer ID is entered, it will default the customer to Web Customer Ord on the transaction in MotorBase. Storefront Connect integrates with all major carriers, such as UPS, USPS, FedEx, Collect, Pickup, Freight, or COD. The payment methods can be set up using your preferred payment vendor, including Paytrace, PayPal, Stripe, Authorize.net, and many others. Once the order is successfully submitted, the user will be taken to an order success page. At this time, the user will receive an email confirmation the order was received, as well as any other emails you have set up to receive for orders. The order is then submitted to MotorBase as a sales order with customer shipping, billing, order line items, shipping and tax rates, and other relevant order data. As a side note, we also carry in any customer pricing levels in MotorBase and import that data into Storefront Connect so that when a customer logs in, they will get their unique pricing. Let's take a look at the order in MotorBase. An administrator can then manage the order directly from Storefront Connect, including communication emails, order status changes, and shipping and tracking updates. The administrator has full access to all customer data on the Storefront Connect backend, such as customer record management, order management, cart abandonment stats, newsletter subscriptions, product reviews, product wish list, chat system integration, and more. They can set up sales based on varied parameters and create coupons. They can even log in as a customer to view or troubleshoot issues. There are also shipping restrictions per shipping provider that can be set up to prevent shipping certain products to other regions and countries based on certain parameters, such as preventing shipping heavy-duty motors by UPS if the weight is over a certain amount. Email marketing automation and newsletters can be automatically set up from Storefront Connect to engage your customers on a frequent basis. Set up a chat service on your site to allow customers to ask questions directly with your support staff. Lastly, the administrator has access to configure numerous options on Storefront Connect. Let's take a look at some of them. To set up different types of email senders and recipients, you define those on the Storefront Email Addresses section and Sales Configuration section. You can override the default options for each setting, such as email sender, email template, email BCC and CC, and others. The delivery methods are built into Storefront Connect and can be configured individually using your existing shipper API credentials. The payment methods are also built into Storefront Connect and can easily be configured using your existing payment vendor account API credentials. The site also supports storing customer payment methods in a secure vault that allows customers to reuse prior payment methods. You can integrate orders with Google AdWords and Google Analytics to keep track of sales that originated from a Google ad or search. If any type of feature or functionality doesn't exist, there are thousands of plugins available to accomplish what your site needs. The Magento platform is open source, which allows for limitless customizations. To request a demo or for more information, please contact us at sales@springpt.com.